Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to Rizz on the Monkey app. First, open your browser and go to the Monkey app website. Then open a new tab and search for a pickup lines extension on Google. Add the extension to your browser, and once it's installed, open a new tab and select Keep It. Now arrange both tabs side by side on your screen. If you are using one monitor, just arrange the screen like this. If you have two monitors, it will be even easier. After that, start using the Monkey app and use the pickup lines from the extension whenever you need them. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.